Welcome back to Englicast. Today, I will not ask you to open a book or study new grammar or memorize a word list. Today, I will tell you a simple secret, but it can change the way you learn English. Have you ever thought that your daily habits decide your future? Yes, this is true for English too. You don't need to sit for hours with a book or join an expensive course. All you need is to build small daily habits. Simple, but strong. Let me start with a simple question. How many minutes do you use your phone every day? 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours? What if you use only 10 minutes to change your English level forever? Let's build daily habits that help your English fluency. Learning English is not by chance. It is the result of small habits you do every day. Here are strong habits that can change your level completely. Habit 1. Start your day with one English sentence. Before you check your phone or begin your day, stop and say a sentence in English. Any simple sentence like, "I'm going to have a great day." This small habit helps your brain start thinking in English from the first moment of the day. Habit 2. Talk to yourself in English for 2 minutes every day. Every day, take 2 minutes to talk to yourself. Talk about what you did today, what you want to do, or a topic you like. It's okay if you make mistakes. The important thing is to talk. Example: today I woke up early. I had coffee and read a book. I feel good. After some time, you will think faster and speak easier. Habit 3. Watch one video every day without subtitles. Start with easy videos like short videos for kids or English lessons for beginners. The idea is to learn the meaning from the situation. With time, your ears will understand more sounds and words, and you will need subtitles less and less. Habit 4. Keep your own vocabulary notebook. When you find a new word, write it in your notebook with the meaning and an example sentence. Example: word, confident. Sentence: she is confident when she speaks English. Read this notebook every day. You will build strong vocabulary with time. Habit 5. Post something in English on social media once a week. Write a sentence, a picture with text, or a short story. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Every time you post, you train your mind and build your confidence. Habit 6. Listen every day. Choose a podcast, a short video, or simple English audio. Listen while walking, cleaning, or cooking. Don't worry about full understanding. Just let the language go into your ears. Your brain will learn faster than you think. It's better to listen to the same video 2 or 3 times. Every time, you will understand more and hear new words. Habit 7. Talk to yourself. This may sound strange, but it is a strong habit. When you wear your clothes, say, "I'm wearing my shirt now." When you drink water, say, "I'm drinking water." You are not studying, you are living the language. Habit 8. Read every day, but with no pressure. Read an easy article or a short story. Don't stop every time you see a hard word. Keep going. Understanding the full meaning is more important than every word. You don't understand every word? No problem. Your brain learns from context, not only words. Habit 9. Record your voice. Once a week, record yourself reading a paragraph out loud. Then listen to it. Ask yourself, did I say the words clearly? Did I feel confident? Do it again. After 1 month, you will be surprised by your progress. Habit 10. Put English in your environment. Change your phone language. Subscribe to English YouTube channels. Follow English pages on Instagram or TikTok. Let the language be around you every day without thinking. Always remember, you learn a language by seeing and hearing it every day, not just by studying. Repetition is the key. Believe me, it's not about being smart. It's about doing it every day. Don't think fluent people are smarter than you. The only difference is they put English in their day, not just in their study time. You don't need special time to learn English. You only need to put English in your daily life. Now ask yourself, what small habit will I start today? Start with one step. Yes, just one. The day you start is the day your life changes. Fluency doesn't come from 100 grammar rules. It comes from daily practice. You can do it, and I believe in you. Start now. And remember, the small habit you repeat every day makes a big difference in your future. If you like this podcast, don't forget to support us with a like, subscribe to the channel, and share the episode with your friends. Write to us. What habit will you start today? We read all your comments and we love them. See you in the next episode of Englicast. Goodbye.